Welcome back to the Ambition Over Fear portal. I'm Atlas Opia and I help people expand their interdimensional knowledge. Today's video I'm going to be discussing how to activate your third eye on Earth so you can truly experience this planet with more entertainment, joy, and fascination from your inner child. We're all expanding into different layers of consciousness, and that gives us a new idea of how our own system works and that of the universe. But how do we take that knowledge and apply it to modern life to really enhance the areas of life we care about? And that's what I'll be going into. And if you're back on this channel or if you're new here, definitely subscribe because I break down interdimensional consciousness in a way that is understandable, that has structure, as I examine each mechanic you need to understand to really grasp a greater topic. Okay? So to get right into the video, your third eye is how you're able to access energy beyond the body. Your third eye is a bridge between your body and mind and five senses and the intelligence of your soul, which is truly a connection into the entire universe itself. But what stops us is finding a way to use our spiritual energy in the physical realm, and that's what I'll be going into. Everything around you in the physical realm is energy that has translated into physical matter. So we're experiencing reality from two different dimensions. One is our lower dimensional consciousness, and the other is our higher dimensional consciousness. This is not an indication of better or worse, but just saying that our body, our mind, our five senses, and our identity is operating generally around the third dimension, And then our higher dimensional consciousness, which consists of our imagination and the intelligence of our soul, which connects to the vastness of this universe, is operating at a dimension of 5 or higher. So higher and lower is just a measurement of the energy waves. So from your lower dimensional consciousness, your body, your mind, your identity, your five senses, you're getting to experience everything from a solid state. So you can interact with it in this physical realm. From your higher dimensional consciousness, you must realize that everything you're getting to experience is just energy that has been turned into matter. It is a vibration that holds a particular information, which then translates as physical matter. So with that being said, if you can move through your life and take a sense of curiosity on how is everything around you just vibration and information, and how did that become solid? And if you feel into the process of how energy creates matter and how consciousness works to create the universe, you're going to experience Earth from a much more entertaining position. You're going to see it as a unique example of consciousness and how energy can create worlds. And then your soul starts to interact with the world from a sense of, I'm here to experience how energy can create matter. I'm here to experience how the creativity of consciousness creates actual results, because this world is just a series of manifestations that can be held together as one. So as you're moving forward in that sense, you kind of can look around you and start asking yourself, how did the chair I'm sitting in go from energy to matter? If you're looking at an aspect of nature, say a tree or a river, you can ask yourself, how did that tree become created? And maybe you start to see the energy behind the tree, or the energy in the water, or the energy behind the chair or the room you're in. And then you start to interact with the world from a sense of curiosity and interest, because you see there's multiple layers behind everything that is getting to take place. So that's one way to kind of shift into that mechanism of your third eye, where instead of seeing the world as this mundane place that is just always how it's been, and you're just used to everything, and you're used to your five senses, which is how it was before your awakening or shift in consciousness. Now, after your awakening, ascension, or shift in consciousness, you start to experience your five senses from the beginning. You clean the slate and act like you're experiencing everything for the first time again. Okay? Now, one thing I'll tell you is, if you're a powerful soul or a starseed and you feel as if you're on this earth and there's something missing, there's an aspect of your soul that you do not yet understand. The reason that is because you have access to powerful metaphysical skills as an ancient soul or starseed or hypersensitive person. And because the metaphysical world creates a physical, you are wanting to know how to impact your life more. And there's a way for you to unlock your cosmic skills as a starseed or ancient soul, so you can understand how to alter the metaphysical realm to see direct results in your physical. And if you're interested, I'm going to offer you a free coaching session where I can teach you how to use those interdimensional skills for good in life. So please, if you're feeling as if there's power inside of you that has yet to come out, there's more to know, there's a next step, but you're not really aware of what that is, allow me to open the door and just trust that I might be able to show you something new about your own galactic origins. And you're not going to lose anything in the process. So click down below, schedule a call, and don't let fear get in your way, or the idea that you don't need the help because you've been doing it alone your entire life. Well, I'm a reflection of you, and you might have called me in for that reason. So to get back to the video, I want to say that, you know, after you go through an awakening and you realize that you're not your identity, body, thoughts, or emotions, you're an interdimensional being getting to have the experience of thoughts, emotions, and an identity on Earth. And you can choose to use this realm as a way to experience your desires, because everything is just a reflection of the energy inside of you. Once that happens, I want you to relate to your body in a way where you know this is a vehicle for my soul to experience more healing and passion and desire in this life. See your mind as a way for you to bring your spiritual energy into this physical realm. But in order for your mind to integrate that knowledge, it has to be understandable, and you have to reprogram your mind to then deal with your new level of awareness, which is why I create these videos. See this world as a canvas for the creative powers of your soul. And even though at times you may be experiencing a lot of healing and heaviness and shadow work, or you're trying to expand upon a desire you have in your life where you know there is something you have to continue that you may have been doing in past lives, realize that you doing that work is healing multiple parts of your soul. That when you are feeling something is being healed, or you're expanding upon a desire and it's very heavy and intense, that is because that is an entity of energy that has carried forward through different past lives of yours, which you're dealing with now. So once you see everything as this opportunity to really take all the experiences and information from your past lives, accumulate it into where you are now, and really take that and move it forward, now you can move from the victim position into the creator position in yourself. So try to take that approach. And when you're in the world, just start seeing everything as energy, but feel as if you are the creator of reality, and start asking yourself how this world and the parts in it come to be. And allow your imagination to take you there if you're trying to find out how energy creates physical matter, in the chair you're sitting on, the phone you're watching this from, the nature you're getting to immerse yourself in, the house or apartment or place that you're safe in right now. Start asking yourself, okay, what had to happen for this thing to exist? Then you're basically a philosopher of this world. You're using this world to discover more about consciousness and the universe itself. And even watching my videos can help with that too. And that really allows your soul to keep expanding, as it's supposed to in every reincarnation. Okay? Well, thank you for being a part of this video. I appreciate your time, your energy, your authenticity, and your willingness to learn something different. I really focus on different topics on my channel, and if you'd like to learn about a specific topic or you have a certain question, comment down below what you would like to make more clear in your own system, and I might include that in my next video. And also, book a call if you feel called to me as a soul or my videos, because there is a chance that I'm here to fill in some missing gaps for you, and that you call me in, and I call you in to share my knowledge with you. So like I said, it's a free coaching session. Book it down below, and you really have nothing to lose in the process, and just a possibility to gain something. Okay? Well, I'll talk to you guys soon. Have an amazing day. Bye.